The welding industry is a modern industry where efficiency, productivity, quality and innovation are key factors in generating competitive advantage. Welders are highly skilled professionals whose performance can be optimized by the use of Cristal, the innovative new range of flux cord wires and stainless steel stick electrodes from OERLIKON. Cristal consumables improve the working conditions for welders using flux cord wires as well as stick electrodes. On this graph, designed to comply with the standard requirements of ISO EN 15011, Cristal stick electrodes are shown to have a much more favorable positioning than other standard electrodes which are currently available on the market. Cristal consumables show improved performance through enhanced visibility of the weld pool, combined with excellent welding characteristics with a very smooth arc and low levels of spatter. Easy slag removal. Excellent arc striking and restriking. Reduced cleaning of the wear parts and the welded joint. Very good bead appearance and joint mechanical properties. Cristal, a range of high-performance flux cord wires and stainless steel stick electrodes with a lower fume emission, making the welding environment both more comfortable and safer for the welder.
I work now for a year by Air Liquide. My name is Robert Schrijvers. I've worked with the Cristal for 9 months and it's a beautiful wire, less of smoke. You can see the welding a lot better. My customers are very satisfied.
With OERLIKON, the future of welding is clear, crystal clear.